Hey guys, my name's Doug with Infotainment.com. Today we're working on the new body Ram 1500 truck, 2019 and up. Today we're going to show you guys this cool little upgrade. It's very easy to install. It's the TRX or SRT style push start button. Now it works in any of the 2019 and higher new body Ram trucks. Takes about 5 minutes to install, and it really enhances the overall look of the interior of the truck, especially those of you who have the red speedometer needles and the red theme on your infotainment system. It really ties it all in nicely. Again, it's only about a 5-minute install, so we're going to show you guys how to do that today.
In order to get this button out of here, you have to kind of remove some layers off to get that little panel off. So first thing you're going to want to do is pull your radio bezel off. Up in here you should have a plastic or a rubberized little pad in here that you got to pop up to expose 2 Phillips screws. You got 1 on either side. Once you get those screws out, you can pull this bezel out. I like to grab at one of the corners on the bottom. It's a little bit easier to pop off. The whole thing should be pretty easily popped off. Kind of fold that to the side. So now you see we exposed the right edge of the surrounding panel piece for your button here. Now we're gonna need to remove your gauge cluster bezel, and to help with that you want to drop your steering wheel out of the way, get yourself some access, and then in between this little line here you kind of get a panel tool and pull down, and you're pulling these out of some metal clips that are up in your dash. Once that's out, you can just pull straight out. It should pop out pretty easily. And now you have your piece securing your push button switch here. Once you unplug your button, pull your bezel out, from here you can basically release your whole button. Just a couple of plastic push clips securing that into that housing. Once you depress those, the whole button comes completely out of there. All you need to do is swap over your little trim ring here. For that, having a little flathead is invaluable. Just gonna stick that up underneath there. Both sides, there's your little trim piece, and that'll pop right back on. And now just get your switch, push her back into the hole, plug it in, and at that point you're done. You can just go ahead and reassemble the rest of your dash. All right, now you can sit back and enjoy your new push button.
All right guys, another awesome, easy to install upgrade by Infotainment.com. That red push start TRX button really just draws in a focal point on your instrument panel. So again, go to Infotainment.com for other upgrades that are easy to install just like this, factory upgrades. But as you can see, it just looks really, really cool in your Ram truck. Thanks for watching.